Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to know who shared my TikTok video. In this quick tutorial, let's get over on how to see who's sharing your TikTok videos. Due to recent privacy changes, TikTok no longer reveals the exact usernames of everyone who shares your content. However, you can still monitor overall activity by checking the activity icon on the bottom left of your video or using your inbox. You can see the total number of shares and sometimes get hits about who might have shared it, particularly popular users or your followers. TikTok may occasionally send notifications when someone shares your video, though it won't show full usernames to protect privacy. You can also look for indirect signs, like comments referencing your video being shared elsewhere, or spikes in views from certain regions. While you won't see every specific person, this method helps you gauge how widely your content is being circulated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.